I am Jon White. On the 16th of June 2010, while serving with the Royal Marines in Afghanistan, I stood on an improvised explosive device. My injuries were life-changing. When I left the armed forces 4 years ago, I seemed ready to make the step into civilian life. However, within 18 months, there were physical complications. I've now had 17 operations in the last 2.5 years, the last being just 3 weeks ago. Military charities have helped me through this. If you would like to support British veterans, you can do so by playing the Veterans Lottery. The lottery provides a long-term sustainable source of funding for ex-service men and women living with physical and mental issues. It also funds homeless veterans into safe shelter and supports training to make the successful transition to a civilian life. Thank you for your support.